Hi, my name is Mika and I'm working on a game called Mushy Score. Mushy Score is a 2D platformer where you fight against endless waves of enemies for a high score. In this video, I will show you why I changed my level from looking like this to this. Quick glance, it might look like I changed my game to look worse, but the game is now much more fun. Using prototype art to test gameplay mechanics makes iteration much faster. I like the popular phrase fail faster. Using some cubes, you can quickly see if some gameplay mechanic is working or not. I was not sure about making this change since it will have major gameplay implications, but after a quick test, the game was much better. It is always better to test instead of just guessing. So how did I change the game? I made levels larger to give you more room to fight the enemies. To balance the game, I added more health to enemies and made them slower. You might think that I made enemies bullet punches, but previously most enemies died with one hit and the only way they were challenging was if they were faster than speed of light. Other change you might notice is the large grey box in the middle. This is a new mechanic in the game, the altar. Altar is a core part of the game as you need to protect it and it will provide power-ups during the run. Protecting the altar adds more challenge to the game since you need to defeat the enemies before they can reach the altar and destroy it. This change makes the flowers more important since they provide small obstacle for the enemies. Since the game gives you more score based on how fast you defeat the enemies, you might want to go to the edge and try to kill enemies as they spawn, but this can leave your base vulnerable to the attacks. This also makes the choice of player and power upgrades more interesting. Overall, I like how the game feels now. Start of the game is much easier, but the challenge ramps up over time. Number of waves is the best way to balance the game, but I don't want levels to be too long. 5 minutes per level seems to be a good starting point. Mushy Score is based on the world of my other games, where 12 elemental powers control the world. Mushy Score will not have any lore since it intended to be a short score attack game, but I still want to add small part of the lore to the game. At the start of each run, you will have chance to decide one of the elemental powers. This will provide you a small upgrade and decide what types of upgrades you will see in the game. During the game, you will have small pauses where you have chance to upgrade your character. These upgrades are upgrades based on the elemental power. This should make each run exciting and give you reason to replay the game. First power I added is the rock. Rock is defensive option that focuses protection and control like rock shield and rock spikes. Next power up that I will be working on is fire. I love how in the Hades you can create really cool combos by combining the god powers. This way you are excited for each run. I wanted to add that in the game, so I will add elemental combos to the game. This will combine the power of elementals to create unique combos. First combo will be lava, that is combination of rock and fire. You will see how the combination works in the next Devlog. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.